Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you're looking to create a membership site on Squarespace and want to give your audience exclusive access to your content, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end, you'll know how to set up member-only areas, create tailored pricing plans, and start offering premium content right through your Squarespace site. No external plugins required. First, let's dive in. Head over to your Squarespace dashboard and find your Pages section. Here is where you'll be adding your member area, so look for that little plus button. It's usually in the sidebar or above your existing pages. Click it, and you'll see a list of options for different types of pages you can add. What we're looking for is member sites. Select that option. Choosing a page type is important because member sites are special. They let you restrict content to paying or registered users. It's like putting up a velvet rope at a club. Only members with access can see what's inside. Once you click, Squarespace will prompt you to pick a template. Don't worry too much about which one you choose at this stage. You can always change these settings later as you refine your brand's look and feel. Templates are simply starting points. They help organize content for member areas, classes, or premium downloads. After you've selected your template, you'll be guided to create a pricing plan. This is where things get exciting because you're setting up how members will access your exclusive pages and products. Give your plan a name, maybe something enticing like Gold Subscription. For the description, think about what would catch your visitor's eye and explain the value. You might write, "Get anytime access to our growing collection of classes, workshops, and exclusive content. New items added every month." A compelling description helps people understand exactly what they're signing up for. Now, you can add benefits to your plan. For example, you could mention over 20 hours of video content and unlimited lifetime access. This is your chance to showcase what makes your member site special. Benefits are more than just features. They're promises that tell viewers how your membership will improve their experience. On the next screen, it's time to set up pricing. You've got options here. Choose a fixed amount for a one-time purchase or set up a payment plan if you want recurring revenue. Let's say you set it at $1,500. If this is your first time setting up payments on Squarespace, don't stress, just follow the prompts. You can always go back and adjust amounts, payment frequencies, or discounts later on. Squarespace also helps you automate tax collection by letting you assign product-specific tax codes. This keeps things tidy, especially if you're selling to people in different tax regions. Setting up the tax code is a quick step. Just input the relevant info based on your local laws, which can often be found with a quick web search or by consulting your accountant. If you want to set up recurring subscriptions, choose that option. Or, if you're offering some content for free, like teaser lessons or a limited preview, you can allow access without payment. This is a great way to entice people to upgrade later. Once you get to included products, simply select the digital products you want to offer inside this plan. Think classes, downloadable guides, or workshop links. You can always add more later, so don't worry about finalizing everything now. Finally, if you want to limit how many people can sign up, say you're running a members-only mastermind group, set your sign-up limit here. Otherwise, leave it open for unlimited members. Satisfied with your setup? Click Create to launch your member site. Squarespace will automatically add paywalls to your selected content. So when someone visits your site and they're not a member, they'll see the sign-up or pricing page. It keeps your premium content secure and encourages sign-ups. And that's how you set up member sites and pricing plans on Squarespace. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop your questions or experiences in the comments, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Good luck building your community.